Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl, and as you can see from the title down below, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. And I have been waiting for this phone for 4 weeks now, so let's get right into it. And this is what the box looks like. I decided with silver this year because I'm honestly not a orange girly, and I did have the black 15 Pro Max, and I was really disappointed that they did not have the black this year. Oh wow, it actually is really pretty, y'all. Volume rockers, the customized switch, camera button, power button, and now this year, focus, this year the actual antenna is at the top of the phone. And they did switch back to the aluminum body that they had like what, 3-4 years ago. I'm kind of upset about that because I've been seeing that this scratches really easily. Thankfully I'm a case lover, so I do have lots and lots of cases, but I'm not a fan. I do prefer the titanium, but we'll see. And in the box, braiding cable, and the useless paperwork. I don't care about that. And yeah, that's the box. Okay, and before I turn it on, let's get our screen protector on. These are the screen protectors I get every year. It comes with 3 glass screen protectors and 3 camera protectors. Get one out. Okay, now that the screen protector is on, let's get on to phone cases. So far I have 5 phone cases, and I will have them all linked down below in the description box. So first, let's start off with this one. This is from Golden Box. And it's just a pink phone case. It comes with MagSafe inside, and it's soft, just a baby pink. It has the camera plateau covered, and this phone case also comes with a screen protector. Let's try that on. It has a raised lip. Like I said, the camera is protected, and the camera button is also protected, because I hate how like some of these phone cases have it open, but I mean, can't help it, I guess. But I do prefer it covered. Has a nice grip in the hand. Actually, I really like that. So the next case, also from Amazon, is a clear sparkly case, and it does not have MagSafe. Clear and cute little silver sparkles. I just thought this would look so cute on the phone since it is silver. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And this is what I was talking about, how some cases don't have a cover over it. This one does not, but I don't mind. That is beautiful. Okay, next is another clear case by the company ESR, and this one does have MagSafe, and it's not glittered. Also got this one from Amazon. And see, this one does have the camera cover. And it also has this camera cover for the plateau. Yeah, that's really pretty. And also, I wanted a magnetic grip, so I got this black one. Just a little magnetic grip to put on the back of my MagSafe phones. Pretty strong. Up next is this MagSafe black case, also from Amazon. And since I couldn't get a black phone this year, I had to get a black case. I always love a black case. It's so nice and sleek, and with the silver phone, it should look amazing. And it doesn't have the camera button cover, but that's okay. Final case is from Velvet Caviar, and I got this off the website, and I got it when they was running a special for buy a case and you get a free accessory. So I decided to get another magnetic phone grip, and it actually matches the same design as the phone case, so that's pretty cool. And it's called the Red Kiss case, I believe. It is so pretty. It just has pink and maroon and red kisses all over. And with their phone cases, they actually have this part covered, so it kind of looks like the previous phones just a little bit. That is really pretty. It has a little sticker right here. That is gorgeous. And I have the phone grip. Like I said, they match, and they have so many designs. Oh, that's really nice. Just my nails. This is really cute, y'all. Go check them out, Velvet Caviar. But yeah, so let's turn her on. And like I said, I'm leaving from the 15 Pro Max. And I had the black 15 Pro Max. Take the case off. And the main reason I wanted to upgrade was because of the camera, the front camera at that, because the new front camera is supposed to be 18 megapixels when this one and all the previous ones before is only 12. And for the being able to record your front and back at the same time, I think that's definitely worth an upgrade. But they both did have the customizable button. This was the antenna, and this is the camera button, and then the antenna is up here versus on the 15. It's right here. Well, actually, I'm gonna do this later. Face ID. ID is now set up. And setting up my account. Let's go back and put our phone case on. Agree. It's signing in. I actually really like it. I like the feel of it. It actually is a little bit, I don't know, I think it is a little bit lighter than 15. It feels better in the hand. I don't know guys, I think this might be worth the upgrade. Camera control button. This is actually nice, but I do realize a lot of people say that they actually do not use this. So we'll see if I ever really do use this or not.
Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music.
It's finally back on. And all my apps are downloading. So let's try this camera out. So click. One click and it opens it up. On there we have 5.5, 1, 2, 4, and 8 optical zoom. So let's see. Turn on brightness. So, okay, there's my fireplace, y'all. So let's see if we can zoom in on the pumpkins. Let's go back to that's 0.5, 1, 2, 4, and this is the 8 optical zoom, which is not bad at all. I can't wait to actually use it. And all the way back. And this is the Silver 17 Pro Max, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Boy, now you make me float.